Hi guys, this is Erin and today's video is all about packing. So tomorrow I am headed to Roanoke, Virginia, and I know that seems like a random place to be going to, but many of you may not know that I travel for work every single week. So each week I'm going to a different destination, and tomorrow it's Roanoke. So with me traveling so much, I've become pretty savvy at packing, and I wanted to share some tips and tricks with you guys on packing, so check it out. So this is the luggage that I use when I travel. It's a 4-piece set. It came from Macy's and it's from a brand called Tag. It comes with a larger suitcase, carry-on, and 2 other bags, one with the handle. It's very durable and easy to get through the airport with. So when I travel for work, I usually only bring the carry-on suitcase. Sometimes I'll bring the bag with the handle, but this trip I will not. I'll be passing on that because I'm only going to be gone 2 days, but I will bring the smaller bag with me. So on the inside, I use one side for my clothes, and then on the other side, that's the zip side, I put all my shoes and toiletries in there. So this is the toiletry bag that I use. It's from a brand called Tartan and Twine. I got it from Ulta about a year ago, and it's a great bag because it actually rolls up and it's a great space saver for your suitcase. It's great because once you open it up, there are 3 different compartments for you to put your things in and organize. It also has a hook at the top, so you can also hang it in the bathroom. I usually hang it on the back of the door, and I can have access to all my things, which is awesome. Alright, so next I want to just show you guys some of the items that are going to go into that toiletry bag. All of these items here go into the bottom compartment, which is the largest one. They're mostly like liquid kind of items. They just fit really nicely in there. And then I just want to call out a couple things, some packing hacks. So first one, I'm sure people are looking at what the heck is this? This container here. So I think it's really important, and it'll save you space and help you get through TSA if you're doing carry-on, to make sure you put your items into smaller containers. So basically what's in this bottle is lotion. So instead of me bringing the big bottle with me, I just put it into a smaller container. And the reason why I have this little plastic here is because this container, sometimes containers like this, they have this little push part. They sometimes open while you're traveling. So to make sure that whatever you have in the container doesn't spill out, I just cut a piece of plastic from a Ziploc bag, and I opened up the top and put it over the thing, and then put the cap back on top, and that ensures that nothing will spill out. Even if this part opens, nothing will be able to come out because the plastic is covering the area where the product is. So that's just a little hack with that. I also, in this little container here, instead of me bringing my whole big bottle of makeup remover, I just put it in this smaller container. I think I got this one from Target. It's up and up. And then these 2 smaller containers here, I have my moisturizer, face moisturizer in this one. And in this one, I actually repurposed this. This is a container. I got a makeup sample from MAC. It had foundation in it. Once I was done using it, I just cleaned it out. And actually right now, I just have some product in here for edge control for my edges when I'm doing my hair, so that works great. And then everything else is pretty much in a travel size, so the soap and the wrinkle release, all the different other things, Lysol, they're all in travel size containers, so that also makes it easier to pack and fit everything in. So another packing tip that I want to share with you guys is to use Ziploc bags. So I use them for a lot of different things when traveling, but I want to show you 2 ways that I use them. So in this yellow bag here, I have my product that I use to wash my face every day. These are the Olay Daily Facials. I love these because it already has the product in the cloth. All you do is just put it under water, it just suds up, and then you can wash your face with it and then just toss it in the trash. So that's what I have have in the yellow bag, and then in the bag that's next to it, which is the green bag, I basically in there just have some cotton rounds. I use those to remove makeup and also to apply other skincare items. In this bag as well, I do have some Q-tips. Everybody needs Q-tips. So these are the ways that I utilize the Ziploc bags. They're wonderful. Alright, so here are a couple more items that are in my toiletry bag. So like I said, I love using Ziploc bags to organize things. So these are all the items I need when I brush my teeth. So there's a toothbrush in here, toothpaste, floss, and mouthwash. So that's all in this bag. And this right here is a must-have item that I use when I am traveling. These are the Clorox disinfecting wipes. I use these whenever I go to a new hotel. I wipe everything down, the remote, light switches, just anything that I'm going to be touching, the microwave, door handles, just to be on the safe side, just to like try to disinfect again, because you just never know who was in the room before you. So these are definitely a must-have. I also have some Cottonelle flushable wipes. This is a face mask. Sometimes if I have time, I might want to feel a little extra special, I might do a face mask. This one is a moisturizing one. And then lastly, I have some of these Colgate Wisp. These are just disposable toothbrushes that I could use throughout the day that are nice as well. So those items are going on in the bag too. All right, here are a couple more items that I have in my toiletry bag. So this is just a hair tie. I usually bring some hair clips. This is a brush that I use for my edges. And then this is what is an extractor tool. So if I get like a pimple or something, I can use that for use this for that. And then there's also some tweezers and another good little packing hack. These are just little bags. I put my jewelry in here. I take very minimal jewelry if I'm traveling for work. So this has some earrings and a necklace in there, and then this has some earrings and a necklace, and this way it just keeps it separated. I have some gold and some silver, so that's just pretty easy and simple. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I fold my clothes. This is the KonMari style. So you basically just want to fold things so they can be sitting up in the suitcase. So you kind of fold it into, I guess you would call it thirds, and then once you put it in there, it'll be the same height as the suitcase and everything will fit in there. And then once you have all your clothes folded, you can put everything in there facing up. And this is great because you'll be able to see exactly what you have in your suitcase without things being on top of each other. It makes it really easy, and then I snap it closed. So here I'm just showing how easy it is to find something with this method. You can just see everything you have. It's easy to find stuff and it's easy to put it back in. There you go. So I love using pouches or little bags to separate things. So in this pink one, I have my underwear and socks, and I just like to wedge that in between the clothes. It's a perfect fit. So another packing tip is to pack your shoes in a separate bag. That way the bottom of your shoes won't get on anything that's clean in your suitcase. I always also bring slippers with me for the hotel room. Can't forget those. Everything fits perfectly. So in this smaller bag, I'm able to fit so much stuff. There's a ton of just miscellaneous things that I put in here. I am even able to put some accessories, a couple belts, and surprisingly I'm able to fit my makeup bag. I don't take very much makeup with me while I'm traveling for work. Everything fits. So another tip is to create a medicine bag. This Ziploc bag has different types of medicine, just in case if I'm not feeling well while I'm traveling, I will be prepared. I also threw a razor in there. That's random, but it's in there too. So now I just want to show you guys how I fit everything into the carry-on suitcase. Everything just fits in there like a puzzle, and I'm just super proud of myself because I used to be a serious overpacker. I would always have to bring like a larger suitcase and check it at the airport, and I'm just super proud that I'm able to fit everything into this one small carry-on. So everything's in here, and after this I'm gonna head to the airport. See you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our page down below. See you next time. Bye-bye.